Good morning, students. We complete the first lesson, sequence and series. What's the meaning of infinite series? Infinite series like this sequence. 2 times 3 plus 3 times 4 plus 4 times 5 and so on. What's the meaning of this sequence? Using the summation notation to write down the series. عايز اكتب ساعتك ده by using summation notation. What's the meaning of summation notation? عندي general term لازم اجيبها في sequence دهيت زي ما اتعلمنا في المرة اللي فاتت. ازاي اجيب الجنرال term when ال n equal 1 or ال r equal 1 by substitution لل n we find the result equals 2 times 3. Tn general term in this sequence equals r plus 1 times r plus 2. Why? When r equals 1, 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. The first term. And the second term, n equals 2 or r equals 2. When substitution r equals 2, 2 times plus 1 equals 3. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Second term, all 3 times 4. The third term when n equals 3 or r equals 3. r plus 1 equals 4. r plus 2, 3 plus 2 equals 5. Therefore, summation notation of this sequence equals r plus 1 plus times r plus 2 from r first term to infinite term because here infinite sequence. Okay? Some properties of summation notation. The first property, summation notation from r equal 1 to n, any constant. Therefore, constant times number of term. Number of term 5, number of term 6 times this constant are equal summation notation. Second rule, summation notation from r to n, c gr, c constant, positive or negative term. Tn or tr, general term of sequence. Constant, first times summation notation, general term. For example, summation notation from r equal 1 to 4, constant minus 2r plus r squared. First term is constant. First term is constant. Therefore, summation notation from 1 to r of 3. 3 times 4, like this, equals 12. Second term equals r. We know that summation notation from r equal 1 to n of r equals n times n plus 1 divided 2. Like this. Sorry. Summation notation from r equal 1 to 4 of negative 2r. Negative 2 constant times summation notation of r from r equals 1 to 4 equals n equals 4, 4 plus 1 equals 5 divided 2. This rules of properties of summation notation. And the third term, summation notation of r squared from r equal 1 to n equals n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 over 6. For example, summation notation from r equal 1 to 4, r squared. n equals 4. First number, 4 plus 1, 2 times 4 plus 1 over 6 by using this rule. By the result, by the calculator, by mental, any other way. Second lesson, arithmetic sequence. What's the meaning of arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic sequence like this sequence. 7, first term 7, second term 10, 13, 16, 19. What's the meaning of arithmetic sequence? Any term T2 minus T1 equals 3. T3, third term minus second term equals 3. fourth term minus third term equals 3. Difference are constant. What's the meaning of difference are constant? Common difference between any two terms. Therefore, this sequence is arithmetic sequence. Finite or infinite? Finite. Why? Has limit, has ending term. First term, second term, third term, fourth, fifth term. Second sequence, 27, 19, 15, 11. T2 minus T1, 23 minus 27 equals negative 4. 19 minus 23, negative 4. 15 minus 19 equals negative 4, and so on. Therefore, common difference equals negative 4. Therefore, this sequence is called arithmetic sequence. Finite or infinite has no ending term. Therefore, sequence is infinite, and so on. General term of the arithmetic sequence. What's the meaning of general term? Any term of any sequence has rule Tn equals A plus n minus 1d. A is the first term. D is the common difference. N minus 1 order of the term. For example, in the arithmetic sequence 13, 16, 19, finite sequence. Last term equals كام؟ 100. Find the 10th term. 10th term أجيبه إزاي؟ لازم أول حاجة أعرف ال first term equals كام؟ the common difference equal كام؟ First term is the first term equals 13. The common difference D equals 16 minus 13 or 19 minus 16 equals 3. Therefore, T10 equals A plus n minus 1d. A first term equals 13. Number of order 10 minus 1 equals 9 times common difference equals 3. Therefore equals 4. T10 equals 40. Second, find the number of the term of the sequence. Sequence هنا كم term عندي؟ first term أهو. last term of order كام؟ Tn equals A plus n minus 1t هو last term. The same rule. Tn value of the last term equals 100. What's the order? Therefore, A equals 13, D equals 3, N question mark. Find N. N times 3 يبقى 3N. Negative 1 times 3 يبقى negative 3. By simplify this equation, 100 equals 13 plus D equals 3 اهيت. يبقى therefore 3N equals 90. Therefore N equals 30. T30 equals 100. Therefore number of term of this sequence equals 30. For example, if the second and 15th term of arithmetic sequence equals are 18 and 34. Therefore, T7 equals 18 and T15 equals 34. The common difference, find the common difference and the first term. Then find the nth term of this sequence. طالبين منك the first term and the common difference. What's the meaning of T7 and T15? T7 equals A plus 6D equals 18. T15 equals A plus 14D equals 34. By using calculator, mode 5 1, A 1, B equals 6, C equals 18. Second equation, A equals 1, B equals 14, C equals 34. Therefore, A equals 6 and D equals 2. Therefore, first term equals 6 and the common difference equals 2. Find the nth term. Nth term equals A plus n minus 1d. First term equals 6, D equals 2. By substitution of A and D, the first term equals 6, D equals 2, 2 times n, 2 times 1. By simplest form, يبقى general term of this sequence equal to n plus 4. Thanks.